Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Humpty Dumpty 2. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be talking about the latest news that has come from IRCC, especially for people who are planning their travel to Canada in November and after that. So guys, before we start, just for your background, we are new immigrants in Canada and we are sharing our journey, our experiences, our mistakes here on this channel in the form of videos. So if you are looking forward to something similar, then make sure you subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon so that you are tuned to our channel and you don't miss any videos from us, as we create lots and lots of videos every week which will be helpful to you if you are planning to move to Canada yourself. Alright then, let's get started. IRCC has specifically emphasized on this process in order to reduce the spread of COVID-19, protect the people, reduce the delay of process at the airport, reduce the contact between government officials and travelers. Hence, they have come up with this guideline which is mandatory to follow for every traveler. So they have this app called ArriveCan. So anybody who's traveling to Canada in November and after that is supposed to download this app. This app is a free app available and it was introduced I think in April 2020. You will have to download this app, fill in all your important details. So it will ask you for your contact details, your travel details, your quarantine plan, and then there will be a COVID-19 assessment test that you have to take. So it is basically a survey kind of thing that you'll have to take on that app, and once you will fill all the details, the app will get updated. So all these details you have to do and update in your ArriveCan app before you board the flight, basically before you leave for the airport, I would say. When you reach the airline counter, the airline people will also ask you and specifically remind you if you have filled all the details in the ArriveCan app. So it is very important that you fill in all the details, complete everything in ArriveCan app before you board the flight itself. And these details will be asked to you once you arrive in Canada. So when you land in Canada, at the same time you will have to show the receipt on ArriveCan app that will be generated only after you fill in all the details in the app, and you will have to show those details, show that receipt to the cross-border officials. And so this app existed before also. Like I said, it was introduced in April 2020 and all the travelers were supposed to follow the same guidelines, but very recently IRCC has made it mandatory that all the people who are traveling in November have to follow this, and if they will not, there will be penalties for that. So I'll talk about those penalties in the later sections of the video. Now next is, what if you're not able to download the ArriveCan app? Are there any exceptions allowed? So people who have personal circumstances such as disability or some infrastructure issues because of which they were not able to download ArriveCan app are only exempted from this. So if you don't do it and don't have the receipt, then it can be a problem. For all those people who will not comply to these new rules and regulations are subject to actions which can range from a verbal warning to a fine of 1,000 Canadian dollars as well. So that is mentioned on their website again. So guys, be cautious of this and take care of this if you are planning to travel to Canada in November and after that. Now what happens after you arrive in Canada, you land in Canada? So within 48 hours of your arrival, you have to update your quarantine place and update the details on the ArriveCan app that you have reached your quarantine place. And if you are not able to use ArriveCan app for any reason, like I mentioned, disability or improper infrastructure and all of that, then you can call a toll-free number. So toll-free number you can see on the screen. So you'll have to call the toll-free number and update the officials that you have reached the quarantine place, and after that you will have to give them a call daily to submit your COVID-19 self-assessment update and send it to them that what's your status on COVID-19 self-assessment. So you have to do that, call them daily on the toll-free number in case you're not able to download ArriveCan app initially when you boarded the flight. Now for people who already downloaded the app and updated their details on the app, then they can complete their self-assessment tests daily on the app itself and will get submitted by default to the official. So that is fine. You do not need to call the toll-free number. And for people who did not download the app initially and they will have to call the toll-free number daily, please note that you will not be able to use the ArriveCan app if you could not download it initially when you boarded the flight or when you were starting your journey to Canada. So these are the important and new mandates which have come from IRCC. So for all the people who are planning to travel in recent times, please make sure you take care of them. And if anybody doesn't abide by it, then there can be repercussions like verbal warning and even a fine of around 1,000 Canadian dollars. So it is important that you take care of it. So guys, yeah, that's about today's video. I just wanted to give a quick update because this is the important news that had come from IRCC, and if you want a hassle-free journey, then please take care of it and be cautious of this fact. And I hope you found this video informative. If you did, then do leave a like. You can also leave a comment for us and also get in touch with us on Instagram at Humpty02Dumpty. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, so guys, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you are tuned to our channel, because we are new immigrants and we are creating everything that we are experiencing here after our landing in Canada. So if you want such updates, you can subscribe to our channel, click the subscribe button and the bell icon, stay tuned to our channel, and you will be notified of all our new videos. So that's it from me, guys. I'll be signing off for now. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.